Woo! Hey everyone, this is Darren from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live with our lunchtime drive time update for you guys. Yeah, wow, guys, it's been an interesting day. We've seen a whole bunch of action going on. We've seen that Bitcoin is getting close to $52,000 right now, so that's pretty close on some of the charts. And this is, going to set us up to definitely heading up to $56,000 in a very short period of time. So I'm pretty excited about that. You should be excited. Looks like things are absolutely going to start going higher and higher. Things are going to start to explode. And remember, none of this is financial advice. This is the OG in the house just expressing his opinion. This video is for educational purposes only, guys. So let's sit back, relax, enjoy. Don't forget to watch this video completely to the end. You gotta watch to the end because we have tips, tricks, and all sorts of amazing stuff that comes in the middle, in the end, and sometimes all over the place. So you guys don't want to miss a beat with the OG trying to educate you, trying to lift up your spirits. Remember, guys, try to be positive. It's a great time to be alive. Life is too short to be negative Nancy's. So guys, try to be as positive as possible out there. You'll love it. I'm going to love it. So let's get into content. Hey, huge news. Looks like AMC is going to accept Dogecoin for payments. And, they said that you can buy gift cards and stuff online, maximum $200. So it's not like you can go to the theater right now and actually use Dogecoin to buy a ticket. But absolutely, that's coming soon, guys. So this is just the first step. And, you're going to be able to buy, you're going to be able to, use not only Dogecoin, but also other crypto because they're using a third-party BitPay. So it's not like directly, but hey, this is good news for Dogecoin, more utility, more out there. So another thing is we're seeing that the liquid network outages has been resumed. So liquid network was out for a couple hours, so that's back on track right now. Sorry for the noise in the background. We're going to try to someone is drilling behind me. Nothing to do about that. Also, it looks like billionaire Ken Griffith slams crypto. He doesn't like crypto. He said that we should all be focused on building focusing on the US dollar and building a CBDC. We're going to talk about that. And there's more evidence why Bitcoin dominance is rising. We're going to talk about why. Also, one of the reasons we're seeing the altcoins not performing is because we're seeing that a lot of institutions are now moving their money into Bitcoin. So that's really interesting. So that's why you're seeing that a lot of altcoins are not performing as they should be. And also Grayscale just released their quarterly report, and there's not so much positive news for Cardano. It's not bad, it's not good. It's just kind of like so let's take a look at that. Let's jump into the markets right now. Let's jump into all the news. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So let's get it, guys, without further delay. Yay, let's get it. Let's jump into it. And don't forget to go back to all my other previous videos. Right now we've got tons of videos. Go back and watch this one. No one expected this, and this is talking about Dogecoin, a SHIBA pump that's coming. We also talked about a big pump yesterday, and this is also talking about a lot of the regulatory regulations and fake news and all that. So guys, go back and watch every single video. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. So guys, without further delay, yay, and guys and gals, don't forget to do me a favor. Go down there, smash the likes right now. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. And don't forget to subscribe. YB in the house. Subscribe in the house, guys. So before we do that, I just want to give a big shout out to some of my new subscribers. These guys subscribe like right today. So we got Siam, we got Kitty in the house, we got Mario, we got Venkatash in the house, we got Michael, we got Fernando, and we got May in the house, guys. So thanks for being part of the family. Thanks for subscribing. And if you're subscribed, why don't you guys think about becoming channel members, guys? Become channel members. Lots of perks. And you can also think about buying the channel a coffee. Support the orphans and the homeless here in Vietnam because all that stuff goes to charity. And guys, don't forget to check out my merch. You can follow the links below. I got my links to all my merch and all that kind of stuff. Patrons and buy a channel coffee are down below, so you guys can find it. So let's jump into the news right now. So the big news that's coming out right now is this just tweeted out moments ago, and it looks like huge news, Dogecoin fans. This is from Adam Aaron. He's the CEO of AMC Theaters, and he says, huge news, Dogecoin fans. As we accept online crypto payments, now you can buy AMC gift cards, digital gift card, up to $200 per day. So with Dogecoin and other cryptocurrency using a BitPay wallet. So basically, you got to go to your website or go to their mobile app, and you can use crypto using third-party BitPay to buy up to $200 a day. So this is pretty good. So you can buy gift cards. You can't actually go to the movie theater, show up, use your phone, and scan. But that's probably going to be coming soon, guys. So that's really bullish news. You guys should be really pumped about that. So finally, AMC is getting there, guys, and doing exactly what we wanted. So it just shows some more utility for Dogecoin. So it looks like Dogecoin, as I said, could be looking to break out to 43 cents, and 43 cents is in target, guys. It's in target, so we got it targeted, all set up. So we're going to get there pretty soon. And it looks like Dogecoin sliced through critical resistance barrier in the past few hours, and it went as high as 27 cents. Now it's trading around about 25 ish. Let's just jump in and take a look at that, so I don't give you the wrong price out here. So we're seeing that right now Dogecoin is trading around about 25. Let me just get that out of there. Sometimes these charts, they don't help. So right now Dogecoin is trading at 25.42, and right now we've gone above our resistance level. You can see earlier that we yesterday we went as high as 27.82. So it looks like we've got a huge green candle coming, and hopefully we can get past that. So 43 cents could be incoming. I think it would take us right there. So that's pretty bullish news, guys. So it looks like as long as prices stay above 26 cents. So as I said, we're pretty close to that 26 cents. So it's really important that we stay above 26 cents, and that would take right about there. So we're getting ginger close. If we can stay above 26 cents, then that's going to be very easy for us to go past the 27 cent resistance here, and the 29 resistance here is almost 30 cents. So 28 and 30 cent resistance. And if we can do that, then that's going to take us up to 43 cents and lickety split, guys. So that's pretty bullish. So you guys should be really pumped, and I love it. You love it. Some other news that's coming in. Coinbase, the #1 traded coin, looks like the Shiba Inu, the Dogecoin knockout, has become the most traded cryptocurrency on Coinbase in less than a month after it was listed on the leading exchange. And you're seeing that Shiba Inu right now. If you look at the price for Shiba Inu right now, you're seeing that the price for Shiba Inu right now, it's up 44.73% right now, and that's up 184% in the last 7 days. So it's just going crazy, guys. So that's very interesting. And one of the reasons it's going crazy is because there's rumors that it's going to be you're going to be able to buy Shiba Inu on Robinhood. So guys, just remember, when something goes up really fast, I know a lot of you newbies are probably FOMOing in on this, and you think it's going to go to the moon. It could go uppity up, it could go up another 203%. Be very careful, guys. Be very careful. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, and watch out. Could Shiba Inu be a pump and dump? I don't know. I'm not going to comment on that, but guys, just be careful. I'm just telling you news that right now Shiba Inu is the #1 traded coin on Coinbase, and one of the rumors is it's going to be listed on Robinhood soon. So if that happens, is buy the rumor, sell the news. So when that happens, you could see that Shiba Inu could pump really hard, guys. So just be careful. Just be careful with this one. That's all I got to say. Bitcoin price pushes through 51,000 and extending bulls short-term target 56,000. So absolutely, we're seeing right now that on the weekly chart, Bitcoin is at 51,524, and this is looking pretty good. We've got about 4 days and 20 hours left on this candle. And if we look at the Binance chart for Bitcoin in a 4-hour, we are now at $51,249. So that's looking pretty bullish, guys. So as this article says, that $56,000 is our target, and it's looking like 56,000. Let me just adjust this chart. 56,000, that would take us all the way up to this level right here. So let me just add that target right there, 56,000. So 56,000, that would take us right there, guys. That's looking pretty bullish. Let me make this a white line. So that would be our next target. I think we're going to get there lickety split. What do you guys think? Don't forget to like this video. Go down there, you see something like that, smash the like, subscribe, and hit a comment. When do you think we're going to hit 56,000? Based on, if we look at the current momentum, I think we could hit $56,000. Right now we're now at 52,000, and the only resistance we have here is at 52,000. It's at $52,200, so we're at 51,200 right now. So I think we could be breaking that pretty soon. And we had a bit of a rejection right here. I think we could. I think by Friday we could see Bitcoin at 56,000. I think it's possible, guys. What do you guys think about that? It's really interesting news, guys. So it looks like Bitcoin is getting itself prepared to go to 56K, and we often see that in 2017. We also saw that where Bitcoin really just went up and the Bitcoin dominance went really high. If we look at the Bitcoin dominance right now, you can see the Bitcoin dominance is really high, and that's why we're seeing that a lot of the altcoins right now are kind of lagging behind the momentous move that Bitcoin is making. So right now we got Bitcoin dominance. I think it's going to probably head up to 43% right now. The volumes are still pretty good at 95.86, and our total market cap is 2.26 trillion. And if I keep looking around, because yesterday we had like, a monkey guy jumped in front of us. So we got monkeys in the mountains behind us, and so sometimes they come down when they're hungry. And there's a tree right over here, and the monkeys came down, and they basically, sitting in the tree looking at me, and they were looking at my phone and stuff because they thought it was some kind of food. So I'm just keep looking around because I don't want one of these things coming down and jumping after me. So you guys can see that we actually have a wall right behind us. You see the wall up there, so they walk across that wall right there, and then sometimes you see over here they come into that tree. They come off the wall. They come off the wall right there. They go into that tree, and then they end up coming in the building. And sometimes they do that because they're looking for food. And sometimes sometimes they steal stuff. So if you got like your phone or something, they don't know what it is. They just see a small object that they can carry, and they will sometimes take stuff. So that's why if you see me looking around, I don't want to lose my phone or stuff like that, because they think it might be a juicy fruit or a chocolate bar. But it's my iPhone. I don't want them to come to take my iPhone, guys. I don't take my iPhone. So if you see me with monkeys, and some of them are friendly, but some of them can be very aggressive, especially the female monkeys when they have babies with them. They can be a little bit gnarly. So yeah, the market cap's looking pretty good, 2.26 billion, and I think we can get to 2.5 this pretty soon, maybe by the end of this week. We could maybe do it if things keep pumping. So there's the Doge dog in the background. Dogecoin on the moon, guys. And the Doge dog agrees with me. So some of the news is happening. Liquid network block production resumes following transaction process issues. So it looks like yesterday block production on Blockstream's Liquid network had resumed after technical problems related to a functionality upgrade. So they had an upgrade and something happened, and basically their transactions were kind of blocked up for 22 hours, and people really were panicking. So that's why we saw the price go way down, but it's back up again. So that's pretty good. It wasn't anything nefarious. It was just an upgrade glitch. So that's been fixed right now, so that's pretty good. So what else we got for it? We got billionaire Ken Griffin slams crypto as this is a negative thing against Greenback. And hedge fund manager Griffin, he's a billionaire. He singled out crypto as a threat to U.S. dollar and stated that I wish all passion and energy that went into crypto was directed towards marketing the United States strong. Well, I mean, come on, Ken. We got the Fed. They're just pushing the print button on the printing press for the U.S. dollar, and they're about to release another $1 trillion and flood the economy with $1 trillion. And Ken, if you're listening, every time the Fed does that and keeps printing, it means it devalues the dollar, brother. So the reason people are loving the crypto and going into crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and all the other coins is because it's a hedge against inflation. Even with Dogecoin that is printing about 5.2 billion coins per year, its inflation rate is less than the U.S. inflation rate right now. So, over time, Doge is going to be worth more if we compare it to the dollar. So, Ken, stop complaining, stop whining. People would be focused on the U.S. dollar if the Fed stopped printing. So that's all I got to say about that. You know what I mean? So, he is saying, why is the crazy concept? This is, he's just complaining because he's just a sore loser because he's a hedge fund manager, but his hedge fund didn't get into crypto. And now he's probably thinking it's too late. So he's like, I missed a boat. So Ken, you missed a boat. Sorry, brother. Boat left without you. I'm on the boat, and everybody in the YouTube land who's watching this video, you guys are also on the crypto boat, and we're going to the promised land. Let's get to the promised land. So we're getting there. Joe's going to the moon, guys. And some other news that's coming in right now. It's a great time to be alive. So we're seeing right now that whales are moving coins and hints at Bitcoin maturity. So we're seeing that we're seeing a lot of whales moving large transactions. So according to the latest weekly report from Glassstone, large transactions are becoming increasingly dominant on the BTC network, hinting that whales and institutional investors are showing rising interest into crypto. And I also talked to you about that, and that we're seeing right here that, we're seeing a lot more transactions. Huge transactions are happening right now on Bitcoin. And, total entity adjustment volume nears all-time highs between 13.6 to 16.8 billion, guys. So you're seeing that the number of entities picking up Bitcoin is, in the last week has been huge. And I talked to you about that, the previous 2 week cycle, a lot of the, Grayscale and all these large institutions, they were focused on altcoins, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, ADA in the house. But right now their focus has shifted back to Bitcoin, and that's why we're seeing that the Bitcoin price is going higher and higher, and that's why we're seeing that the altcoins are a little bit lagging behind. But this is nothing to worry about. You'll see soon that when the Bitcoin dominance comes down, people will start taking profits out of Bitcoin and moving them into altcoins. And I think you're going to see that the altcoin season is absolutely going to explode probably in November, guys. So just hang on. Don't panic. Don't be selling your altcoins. Don't wet the bed. Don't blow your load too early, guys. And don't be weak Nancy's. Don't be Debbie Downers. Just hang on to your altcoins. And this is a good time to dollar cost average, guys. So dollar cost average into altcoin position. And this is not financial advice, but you'll be rewarded because altcoins are going to go to promised land in November, guys. So you're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So let's get it, guys. And remember, don't forget to smash the likes. Go down there. You got the thing that looks like that. Smash the likes, and that tells the algo that you love the channel. It's going to push it out. Get the views up, guys. Get the message out there for the OG in the house. And don't forget to comment, guys. I want to hear what you have to say about what we're saying. So do you guys think that Bitcoin is going to go to the all-time highs this month? What do you guys think? Plan B is saying 63,000. Do you think we're going to hit 30,000? Let me know. I really love to know what you think about that. And then also Grayscale report shows the good and bad and ugly of Cardano. So Grayscale issued this huge report, and basically what it's saying in a nutshell is that and this is one of the reasons why we're seeing Cardano kind of a little bit lackluster, right? They're saying that competing with the market, they're saying developers had then begun to work on launching smart contracts. So the good thing is that Cardano did release September 12th the smart contracts, and they're trying to compete with the market. But what they're also saying is that with smart contracts capability at present Cardano ecosystem, the question becomes, will users adapt it? So this is the thing. Did Cardano release the smart contracts too late? And is this what's slowing down the adaptation of smart contracts on Cardano? So some people are saying, yes, this is a major problem with Cardano right now, is that it came out too late, it took too long, and that's why the pickup rate of smart contracts and NFTs and all that is too late. So, the time will tell if we get more dApps and apps being, and DeFi on Cardano. Like I said in previous videos, we have to wait. Once this has been deployed, we have to look at the blockchain, the transactions, and the throughput. If the throughput starts increasing and we start to see more dApps and apps being built on Cardano, then fine. If not, then we're going to have a problem, and then that will have a reversal on Cardano's price, and it will tank bad. So we just have to give it a little bit more time. But from the positive, the other competitive advantages is that the leadership at Cardano is very, very strong, very good, and they're very methodical. I mean, they're perfectionists over there. Sometimes being perfect is good, but sometimes perfect is the enemy of good. It means that if you spend most of your energy being perfect on one thing, you miss the opportunity of making 10 things good. So sometimes you have to weigh the balance as being, perfect sometimes is the enemy of good. So we just have to take a wait and see. I'm really hoping that Cardano will be successful, that there'll be more NFT, there'll be more DeFi, there'll be more apps and dApps, and that the whole network, the amount of transactions over the blockchain will start to increase, because that's what we really need. We need more people moving into the space. So let's see what happens with Cardano. I hope it becomes positive. I hope things start moving to the moon. So let's take a look at the total market cap. Right now, the market cap is 2.216 trillion. So it's looking pretty good. And if we look at our fear and greed index, wow, guys, we're moving up. So right now we're at 68. We're at 59 yesterday. And last week we're only at 24. So you can see that the sentiment in the market is really pumping, guys. It's huge, huge, huge. Looks like we're going to the moon, and everything's looking pretty peachy keen, guys. So let's take a look at the right now. Let's take a look at the altcoin season. Are we in altcoin season? I don't think we're in altcoin season, guys. I think we're still way, way far from that. As you can see, we're not in altcoin month. Altcoin season, we're not even there. So we got a long way to go, guys. I'll take it in English. Thank you very much. I hate these pop-ups, guys. When we're doing this and you get these pop-ups. So you're seeing that that's why the altcoins are not doing good, because we're not in altcoin month. We're not in altcoin season. An altcoin year, we're not there yet, guys. So that's really kind of so that's why one of the reasons you're seeing that the whole altcoin season is kind of like blah, right? So let's take a look at let's take a look at Doge again. So you can see, let's see if we made any moves. So Doge is still, see, it's coming back. This candle's coming back at 25.66, 25.71. So it looks like we could probably be seeing 26 cents coming in. And if you look at the social sentiment right now for Doge, you can see the social sentiment for Doge is actually on the rise. Look at that, guys. So people are starting to talk about Doge, and when we have price movements, so the sentiment comes in and the price goes up, and then people start talking about it and the price goes up. So it's kind of a snowball effect. So we really need a catalyst, and the huge catalyst for Doge has been absolutely this price increase. So that's why the social sentiment is going up. We're going to see Doge breaking out. So let's just take a look at this. I just found this here. You can see all this. You guys have to just take a look at the Shiba Inu. There's lots of news out there, but if you look at the on-chain analysts of Shiba Inu, you can see that right now the network growth is exploding right now, and there's 16% of people in the money, and right now it's neutral. So guys, keep an eye. Be very careful with this project. I'm not talking bad about it. I don't want any of the Shiba Inu lovers to beat me up. But remember, this thing is moving very fast right now. So just be very careful. I mean, it's up right now. It's like 0.00000. 2199. It's up 63% right now. So that's amazing, guys. So just watch out for that one. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now, again, is at 51,522, and Bitcoin on the 4-hour is at 52,000. So it's looking pretty bullish, guys, and we're definitely going to get up there. We've got so 51,000, right? 51,214, and we have this $52,000 area that we need to break past. I think we're gonna slice past that. Could be today or tomorrow, guys. Ethereum is, I painted this this triangle. This is an ascending triangle, and Ethereum right now is trading at 34,000. 34,000. I'm too busy thinking about the monkeys jumping and stealing my phone. Ethereum at $3,483, and right now we had this support level at 3,500. We really need to get up to 3,500 and break past. So this line actually needs to go red now. It's so tiring changing all these lines. So come on, Cardano, come on, Ethereum. Let's get moving. Both of you coins, let's get moving. So we have this ascending triangle, and if we stay inside here, then we're going to continue up. If we break down past this purple line, then we're going to see ourselves going down here. So right now we really need to get Ethereum to giddy up, and it's really bizarre that Ethereum is underperforming Bitcoin, and it's being held back for some reason, maybe artificially or not, but you can see that the total DeFi locked in Ethereum is huge, guys, 91.09 billion, and there's no reason for it to be doing this. And we're seeing that the burn right now, we've got almost 500,000 of Bitcoin, Ethereum being burned. And if we look at the fees in the house, the fees are not outrageous right now. There's only like $29 and $90, so it's not too bad for the thieves. The fees, not the thieves. Tongue tied. OG is getting tongue-tied. And you can see, as I said, the Cardano is breaking down right now. So, there's still a little bit of pessimism in the market about Cardano, with this smart contracts. A lot of people are expecting a lot more, and it really hasn't come to volition as fast as people thought it would. So we're breaking down right now, and Cardano is at $2.20. And I think we could go down as low as $2.15 and touch that. Right now, Solana also is breaking down a little bit. It's at $156. And I did say that if we break down out of this channel, we could see ourselves going all the way down to 154. It looks like we're going to do that. And then the bad news for Avalanche, I did predict earlier that we're going to break down from this descending triangle. And if that happens, it's going to take us all the way, to 49. I think we'll probably stop at halfway between and go to $56. So it's not looking good for Avalanche in the house. And that's because Bitcoin is dominating the markets right now. As I told you, look at this. Bitcoin is absolutely dominating. We're almost at 43% right now. And before we can see the altcoins moving, we need to have this dominance come way down, guys. That's all there is to it. So let's jump into the coins in the house right now. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 51,523, and that's at up 4.54%. Ethereum is still up, but it's not up as much as Bitcoin. And typically, you would see that Ethereum would outperform Bitcoin. So it is what it is, guys. Let's see what happens. BNB is also up, but not as much as Bitcoin. So that's, just telling the tale that because the dominance is so high and institutions are moving their money into Bitcoin, that's why you're seeing a lot of lackluster activity for the altcoins. ADA is down 0.5%, it's at $2.20. So be careful, that could be breaking down to 215. Also, Solana is breaking down. It's down 6%, and that's not looking so good. It's $157. But Doge is still pumping. Doge is still fighting back, guys, and Doge is looking pretty good. And it's at 25.5, and that's up 16.21%. So not too shabby, and up 27 cents. For the whole 7 days. So it's not too shabby, guys. DOT is also down. Luna is down. Uni's down. Avalanche is down. Like I said, be careful. We could be breaking down to like $49, $55 range. SHIBA is up again. It's up at 64%. What's going on? What's going on? So just be careful with that. Don't FOMO in the top, guys. That's my warning. Do not FOMO in the top. Matic is down. Atom is down. So you can see that right now the altcoins are just getting hammered by Bitcoin's dominance right now. So a lot of people are just moving everything into Bitcoin right now. So that's not bad, but it's not good, guys. Let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house right now. Let me just give this a minty refresh in the house. Let me turn on the pie chart. Sorry. So right now, despite all the upsies and downsies, our portfolio in the house, remember this portfolio is for educational purposes only, and it's not the financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. And one more thing, don't forget to go and smash the likes, subscribe BYB. And if you're watching the super chats, don't forget, watching in live stream, do give super chats. All this goes to charity, guys. Support the channel, support the orphans and the homeless here in Vietnam. And so you can see right now our portfolio is still not doing too bad. We're still up, but we're up 56.99%, so 57%, and we're in profit, $2,877. So not so bad. Our original investment, we put in $5K July 2nd, and on this portfolio, this is for educational purposes only. We did it on a live stream. You can go back and watch the live stream. Go back and do that. So it came out around July 2nd or 3rd. Go back and watch that. It's quite interesting. It shows you how to make a portfolio, and it also uses CoinGecko's portfolio builder, which is free. Go to CoinGecko, and you can sign up, and it's a free portfolio builder. So what you do is if you have like some coins on Robinhood or Coinbase or Binance, wherever you keep your coins, you can put them all here, and that way you can track the total P&L. And that's really important to know where your portfolio is, because what some new people do is they have some coins here, crypto.com, on Coinbase, and here and there, and sometimes they lose track of what's in profit and what's not, because everything's all over the place. But by having everything kind of like a cockpit area, it's easy for you guys to understand where you are in terms of profit or loss. So that's good news, right? So we're total balance is 7,877. So with that being said, guys, please go to my Twitter. Follow me on my Twitter. Almost got 2,500 followers. So help follow. We got news, tips and tricks, all sorts of great stuff. We even got some funny stuff. We got a lively community here on Twitter as well. So go and follow. And guys, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Without you out there in YouTube land, watching the videos, subscribing, becoming channel members, and just supporting the OG, this channel wouldn't be possible. So I just want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being in the stream. Thank you for watching. Just thank you for watching. And thank you for making it to the end of this video, guys. Do not forget to do me the huge favor. Shout out, love to all of you. Please go down there and smash the like. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video. I appreciate it. And if you're watching, please subscribe BYB. And one final thing, don't forget to check out all of the links in my video description. You can find all the links down there in the video description. This is not financial advice. And guys, please support the channel. Think about supporting the channel. Become a Patreon member. Support the channel by buying the channel a coffee. Go to www.kofi.com. Crypto Squad, guys. And also check out my merch. We got tons of merch. And also, these are some platforms that I like and I use. Crypto.com, Celsius Network. This is where you can put your crypto to work for you, and you earn APY by rather than just letting sit in a wallet. And if you click these links, you get some kind of cash backs and stuff. So check it out, guys. And guys and gals, don't forget to go to Zen Music Addict. Check out my merch, guys. We've got hats, we've got hoodies, we've got polo shirts, all sorts of great stuff. You want to get some of the OG gear in the house. Get it while you can. And guys, don't forget to get the mug. The mug is full of love, full of joy, full of happiness, guys. So get the coffee tastes better. I can tell you that right now. Coffee tastes better. And don't forget we got the backpack. We got the socky socks, and we got the water bottle, guys. Check out all of the non-clothing items, guys. Go to the shop. You'll find the link description below. And please do me a favor. Go to the wife's channel. This is Zen music. This is where you can get your brain massage. It's really good, guys. You're gonna love it. Just relax, chill. It's kind of like moving art, guys. So if you can't sleep, watch this. You'll be out like a light. So, guys, with that, I just want to say, God bless all of you, guys. Live every moment of your life like it's your last. Spread love, spread a good vibe. God bless all of you. Be neighborly, guys, and stop focusing on the negatives. Look for the positives, and if you're going to say something negative, just step back, count to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and think about the impact that's going to have on that person. And sometimes if you spread the good vibe and spread the positive catalyst and spread positive word, that is like a domino effect. So let's change the world for the positive. Let's change the world for the good. And I just want to say, God bless you all. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love my members. I love my subscribers. I love everybody out there. And guys, let's get it together. Crypto's on fire. Everything's on fire. I love it. You love it. Let's get it. Woo!